Hey, it's Iran here. I'm showing you how to send an email based on segmentation of some sort. So the first thing you can do is you can simply create a new list and let's just call it a segment just for the sake of demonstration. And then on that list, you can now import contacts that are relevant basically to like upload the CSV of the ones that you want to segment to that list and you can send it to them. Okay. Alternatively, what you can do also is you can actually go to the different contacts that you already have. Okay, now this is my name, for example. I mean, I'm the site admin, but it doesn't matter. And what you do is you add on the tags, you select a tag. So for example, membership interest. So let's just say that's the tag for those that are interested in the membership. And then you would need to go through on the profile and do it one by one, unfortunately, basically. And then you would need to update. And then what you do is you go to email broadcasts. And then when you create a broadcast, so we're going to call membership interest demo. Now, when you send the email, you would choose an email list. You could say all segments, and then you click on advanced filters, add group filter, any membership interest. Let's just call it that way. Okay. And then I would click on add filter. The role is, and choose user tag contains. And then you'll see the different options. So for example, here's the tag, membership interest, save changes. And now only the people that has this particular tag are going to receive that particular email that you want to send. So there you go. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Cheers. So I've got to take care of a few housekeeping issues now. Okay. So first of all, the first housekeeping issue is if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm going to be creating more tutorials like this on Zenler and other things like that to do with online marketing. So if you want to learn more stuff for free, please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. The second thing is for any of you users of Zenler, if you are struggling with things and now you get reality on how fast I am at building stuff, I can be really fast. I can get your landing page and stuff like that done in 1 or 2 sessions. I'm really fast with it. Okay. If you want to hire me and save you the learning curve, my process of doing it is we join on Zoom together and I get your login details. You give me the access and I build your funnel with you, but for you. So I do the work. You watch and learn. Tell me what to do. I give you advice. We brainstorm, figure out the copywriting, do all that stuff and get things set up really quickly. Okay. So this can save you literally days or weeks if you are struggling with this technology side, depending on where you're at. I can save you a lot of time. I can actually set up the entire thing in between 2 to 3 hours, I would say. I could set up the whole thing with you, okay? Here's a testimonial from Stephanie. Iran is the real deal. If he offers to hop on a Zoom call with you, take him up on it. I connected with Iran right before the holidays when my life is just crazy. He was instrumental in helping me get the sales pages and the website up and running and looking really good. Total lifesaver. My site hasn't even been active for 2 weeks and my sales are over $2,000. Can't wait to have another project I need help with. I know exactly who I'll message first. Thanks, Iran. So if you want to read more testimonial, go to facebook.com/Iran Bokai Mastermind/reviews. I will leave the link in the description. Stephanie actually is a sales page that I created with Zenler, with Stephanie on Zoom, exactly the same process. And we set up the Zoom, the Zenler sales page for her. Okay, so this is a Zenler testimonial. If you're not a Zenler user, by the way, if you want to learn more about my pricing and all that, the link, it will be in the description. If you're not a Zenler user, I'm going to pin in the comments the link to join and create a free account with Zenler. And if you decide you become a paid user, I will do a free one-on-one session on Zoom, like I did with Stephanie, one session, an hour or so, and actually help you get set up, and I'll do it totally free. The last thing is I want to create more tutorials like this, but I want to create tutorials that are helpful to you. So please leave a comment below. I've got a couple of ideas. Number one, I thought about doing a tutorial how to set up an Instagram link tree using Zenler. Another one, how to create a webinar funnel using Zenler, or something else. Please comment below and let me know which tutorial would you like to see next. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.